little bit, but not as long as Littlefoot. Oversensitive and then we blame it on political correctness. That shit got me pessimistic. Why we try to please them all and ask for acceptance? We all a little off in exception. Eli, quit acting like a B.I. and get to stepping like Eli. Stop pirates bad, why police have all the cannons there? Cops these days got us looking like Afghanistan. Confiscated weapons, who we call it for this robbery. If you think about the action Connery. Honestly, these days killing gets so fucking publicized. First you fry the young goodbyes and then it got like T.I. R.I.P. then we on to the next. After death, the checking over dinner argument. Presidents, no heaven sent, but blame for your cop-outs. Fuck the cops out, guess we'll play a game of knockout. Passion out, blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become, that's what we become. We choke till plumb, wonder why so sucking dumb.
No compassion, out blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become, that's what we become. We choke till plumb, wonder why so sucking dumb.
We full of clutter, we purging one of another. Acting kinda childish, like Donald Glover. Ain't made of rubber, but use a rubber to solve the problem one day. Hold the ball like a child without a bottle. Right now, between a rock and a hard place. Protect the corners, who tryna be a hard case. Drugs make the heart race, but what a race without a finish. War diminish, we start extinguishing, not applaud.
Do you enjoy?
Like an amen. Keep bombing, Saddam and a lot of common. Arrest us for the farmland.
Come on, man.
But it's legal in Washington.
What the fuck?
Proudly hanging plaques, smoking a zigzag of the pack. With a laugh, shipping your mask for Colorado tax. After that, we send you back to streets of Chirac to kidnap your ass. Once you make it a little cash. No compassion, now blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become, that's what we become. We choke till plumb, wonder why so sucking dumb.
No compassion, now blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become, that's what we become.
G-Mo,
choke till plumb,
listen.
wonder why so sucking dumb.
The government can suck a dick, I don't really give a crap. Republican or Democrat, all of y'all can get attacked. On my voting ballot, I scratched out the candidates and wrote my name in every single field, then I cast the shit. I don't give a fuck about the presidential race. I've been lied to enough, it's fucking up my mental state. Living in a virtual projection with sinful snakes. Everything we eat and touch is a little fake. I shank a cop, then pass the knife to K. Kerr. Is the pig dead? Stab him in the head to make sure. No justice, no peace. I bust the chrome piece. Your brain's on the dash, now you slumped in your seat. Protect yourself from the government, nigga underlay. They shooting up elementary schools to take our guns away. I'm in the house strapped, waiting for the judgment day. Cause they ain't finna torture me at Guantanamo fucking Bay.
No compassion, now blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become, that's what we become. We choke till plumb, wonder why so sucking dumb.
No compassion, now blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become, that's what we become. We choke till plumb, wonder why so sucking dumb. Sucking dumb. run this race. It's playtime, I'm gonna crush your face. This is not a fucking phase. Hey guys, I know you feel that bass. Roll with that until you see my face. Rising from a thick layer of fog at midnight. There's a time and a place to kill it, I spill it. Leak documents from a flaming tongue. Rappers acting so saintly when not long ago you were baking, cuz. And now they catch the aroma, wonder what the kid is baking up. Add a little secret ingredient they're needing is something for waking up. My flow was caffeine and I'm the black king of spades. Among smaller cards and that scream you hear is mad heat. I am the daddy of cracking the bones of the flashiest chic. No fucks given, as I grow up in a robust prison. Everything I think I need is already given. For some reason I am hardly living. Physical needs are what can't be controlled. Give a kid candy, take away his soul. Can't tell the difference between hot and cold. My senses are dimmed and I'm sold. But as the credits start to roll, I wake up and I miss the movie. The people around me are swarming like they just saw something that's dooming. Now they're telling me that I miss a lot and I gotta go back and see it. Yet everyone who was watching came out that bitch with a crooked demeanor. These subtleties and half-truths are running my country at large. Shipping this garbage by every ocean, I'm about to sink the barge. Health, war, famine, and money, get rid of those and we have no country. What happened to thinking people love me? These relationships feel so ugly. It's like we're speaking on the surface, but something sounds scripted about all the verbiage. Like everything we think came from another person and we didn't take time to think if it's worth it. To act as a service to only a few human perspectives. Now we got humanity's section by politics, culture, religion, perspective.